Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Hasna Fatih Musyaffa.
My name is Jessyca Seplianita.
My name is Putri Larasati.
My name is Vina Yuliana.
And I, Zascia. We are from 𝐏𝐿5. So, today, we're gonna tell you how to use 𝐓𝐄𝐃 washing machine. Happy
Watching everyone. I'm tired of washing by hand. Actually, I have washing machine, but I don't know how to use it.
Hasna.
Wait a minute.
Can we come in? Of course. Let's come in. Thank you.
Yes. Let's sit together.
Hasna, why you look so tired?
I'm tired from washing by hand.
Do you have washing machine, Hasna?
Yes, I have it, but I can't use it.
It's okay, Hasna. It's not a big deal. Let's try using the washing machine together.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Hi everyone! So, let's move on to the tutorial. So, firstly, you need to install the plug. And then, second, you need to put the clothes into the washing machine. Usually, the washing tube is slightly larger than the drying tube.
Fill the water washing tube with enough water according to the washing machine instruction.
Next, add a special detergent for top loading washing machines, such as one of the products. You can also add a fabric softener or deodorizer.
Select the wash kettle setting uses the wash kettle according to the type of clothes you are washing.
And then, after one wash cycle is complete, remove the water from the canister.
Refill the washing tube with cleaner water to rinse it. Do this twice. You can add it clothes freeze thinner.
And then, transfer the finished rinsed clothes into the drying tube.
Select setting for the drying kit.
Put the clothes and dry them under the sun.
Thank you for teaching me how to use washing machine, Laras, Vina.
You're welcome, Hasna.
Oh, I get it. Then I also want to try my new washing machine.
That's how to use a washing machine. We end this video.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Alhamdulillah.
Ayo.
Alhamdulillah.
Ayo. Dah, ayo.
Jessyca tuh, ini lagi ya.
Yaudah, ini kelihatan nggak?
Kelambine Hasna.
Kelambi coba.
Kelambine Hasna sak keluarga. Iki lho baju pramugane.
Udah jadi masukin
Hasna.
You wanna build it now, man? Ayo beli 3 gratis 5. Itu yang ketiga. Beli yang ungu ya, guys.